reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best. Morning.
Got a little breakfast bar.
Bacon. Bacon.
And
Eggs. Eggs. Cheese. Muffins. Muffins. Ketchup.
Okay, you guys say your prayers.
God, thank you. Amen. I think it's bacon.
Move your bowl, Elena.
Yeah.
Get one. Put it on your plate.
And a muffin.
Another day, another hiking trail. Pretty sure by the end of quarantine we're gonna explore every single hiking trail in the state. We're walking in the woods. Wait, a window. Hey, are those your friends? Whoop. You got it. Now do jumping jacks.
Okay. Okay, do this.
Where you going, Cece? These woods are kind of creepy. We made it. We made it. Whoa.
When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets.
What bridge is that?
I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how.
What are we doing today?
Making some art stuff for Daddy on Father's Day.
Yep, we're making some Father's Day projects. We're gonna tie-dye this t-shirt for him and also a hat.
We're gonna paint the hat.
Yep, and then we're gonna make Father's Day cards. So I got these cool dad stickers. And oh, we're missing the red. I got this kit because it comes with a whole bunch of colors and also some extra little projects that you can make. And then this is all from Michael's, by the way. This is like a little container that you can use to make it like a 2-minute DIY or 2-minute tie-dye instead of letting the color soak for several hours and having to wash it and all that. You can just get it done instantly with this thing. So I used some duct tape to write a little message that says #1 Dad and I love you. And hopefully, what I'm hoping is that the dye, when we tie-dye the shirt, it won't show up on the places that we put the tape down. So I think we're ready to start tie-dyeing. Everybody has their own shirts.
My white shirt?
Yep. So even though we're doing Father's Day project, we all get to do something.
Doing her monster.
Yeah, Cece's making a project.
I should go.
Alright, let's start tie-dyeing. Alright, do your color.
Okay. Can I use a blue with yours? I did, Mommy.
Alright, we're done tie-dyeing all of our stuff.
Now I'm doing Cece's monster.
And now the directions say we're supposed to put each one in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's see how this goes.
And I'm making...
Today is the day after Father's Day. It's also my grandma's birthday. So we're here visiting my grandparents.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I love coming to visit my grandparents. I spent the majority of my high school years living here in this house. And yeah, it's just a very special place to me. There's tons of like baby pictures of me, and my old room is here.
Wait, this is the old room?
Not this one. Here's the grandkids wall. That's my little sister, my cousins. There's me. Hey, stop it. There's me. That's little Katelyn. And there's my brother and my other cousins.
Oh, somebody open this.
I think it's adorable. What else?
There we go. Elena, watch out! Arthur!
So I'm gonna show the kids my old room.
Is this it?
Which one? So this was my bedroom in high school, and also for a little bit after high school. This was also my auntie's room when she was younger. There's a picture of me back there. That's when I played volleyball in high school.
Can I see, Mommy? Whoa. Can I see?
Oh, okay. Right. Cece has to go pee, so I'm gonna go take Cece to the potty.
Elena? Arthur!
In this very bathroom in high school is where I dyed my hair purple and pink. I had like a pink strip right in front of my hair, and then I like tinted the rest of my hair purple. And I was young, I didn't know what I was doing, so I got dye all over this bathroom. I think there's still some like remnants of the pink dye that I used. Did you know I used to have pink hair?
No. Mommy, what's this?
I used to get ready almost every morning in this bathroom. This is my grandparents' room. This one used to be my mom's room. This used to be Lola's room.
What? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, take that! No. Banana.
The kids are going to eat pancit. Filipino noodles.
I don't want carrots and more.
You have to eat the vegetables. That's the good part. Oh, Archer. We have clams. This is pancit and rice, adobo, beef steak, and then fruit for after. Got watermelon and mango. Got all the good stuff. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite?
My favorite is the fruit.
The fruit?
When you eat your rice and things before you get your food.
Yeah, then you have the fruit after you eat. All my favorites.
Because I'm trying to figure it out where to put your stuff at home.
Okay. Say happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
And say happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday,
To Grandma. Okay.
Picture. Wait. I said to wait.
Next time, I'll have to take pictures of your garden. My grandma grows beautiful flowers in her garden. Oh yeah. We're on the way home. Had a really good time visiting with my grandparents, but we're trying to beat traffic. So we're in the car going home. We got lots of food that my grandma packed for us. Brian's on his way home, so we're gonna go meet him at home. What's up, guys? So I know that this vlog is completely all over the place, but I just finished filming a back to basics makeup tutorial, which was really fun. And let's see, what time is it? It's 12:30, so it's about lunchtime. I'm gonna go make some lunch for the kids.